Good afternoon, boys and girls. So I figured to end this week, we would play a fun addition math game. So we've been working on practicing using different addition strategies, like using pictures, using a number bond, using a 10 frame, using a number line. So I figured we would play this fun game to practice those skills. So I'm going to give you some instructions on how you can play this game, and then I'm going to give you a model for each different strategy that you will be playing with. So first, you're going to click the blue dice in the corner, and you're going to pause it to get your first number. Next, you will click the blue dice again. You'll pause it to get your second number. Then you will drag the dots, numbers, or smiley faces to represent these two numbers that you get on the dice. You can do it after you get your first number and your second number. However you want to do it, it's fine. You will then place these items on the picture, number bond, 10 frame, or number line. And then lastly, you're going to add the two numbers together to get your sum. You're going to type these answers in the blank boxes. So let me show you the first example by using pictures. I'm going to click my dice in the corner, pause it. I get my first number. If I want to keep track, I can type it or I can drag my dot. If not, that's fine. You can click it again and get your second number. But I'm going to write my first number, which is 5. Okay, let me click the dice again. Pause it. I get 5 again. So 5 plus 5. Oh, look, and that's a double fact. And 5 plus 5 equals 10. You can also drag the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to drag another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I know my double fact 5 plus 5 equals 10. And I'll type it in the box. So that's how you would play it using the pictures. And then I provided different pictures that you can practice with. And now I want to show you the example with the number bond. With the number bond, there's numbers instead of pictures. So with the number bond, you're going to do the same exact thing, but whatever number you get on the dice, you're going to drag that number in to represent the part, and then add them two together to get the whole. So let me show you. Pause it. My first number is 6, so I'm going to find the 6 up here. This is my part, so 6 plus, let me find out my second number, is 2. I'm going to take my 2, drag it as my other part, so 6 plus 2 equals 8. If I add up, take my 8, drag it as my whole. So that's an example with the number bond on how you would play it with the dice. Now I'm going to move on to the 10 frame. 10 frame, you do the same exact thing. You press play on the dice, pause it, get your first number, which is 6. You can write it in the box. You can drag 6 smiley face onto the 10 frame, however you want. Then I'm going to click it again, get my second number, which is 5. Drag again 5 on my other 10 frame, and then 6 plus 5, and then I would get my answer, which is 11. And now, last but not least, I'm going to show you an example with the number line, because the number line is a little different from the other 3 examples. So I'm going to click my dice, pause it. So my first number is 5. So I'm going to take my big dot and go on 5. And now with my second number, I'm going to press play, pause it, which is 6. So I'm going to move 6 spots from the 5. So watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. And that's how you would do it with the number line. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to play this game, and I can't wait for you guys to try it.